Ditto. I thought this was a health club promo. I saw Flex back there. I was pumped, and I still am, because big communities have the resources to get things done that a small community can't even touch. Well, here, when we started our community way back in 1864, we made sure that we were on a direct line with Longmont and Loveland and Fort Collins, so that today that bus can come right through beautiful downtown Berthoud and help the folks who probably need it the most. At any rate, it does tie things together, and as has been stated many times, we definitely like the regionalist construct. I worked with the MPO for the last couple of years, and it really drives it home, and it's a beautiful way of physically joining us all together. I love the old phrase, Silent Calvin Coolidge said, I really don't want to leave my footprints in the sands of time. I just want to cover my tracks. Well, this does both. It leaves a much lighter footprint with that gas, running it with natural gas, but boy, it leaves a big footprint in terms of helping people. Thank you for your part.